salmon on the grill recipe. Very simple lemon pepper salmon on the grill. Equipment: tin foil. Ingredients: 2 cups water, 2 tablespoons lemon pepper seasoning or 1 tablespoon pepper with the juice of 1 lemon. 1 teaspoon oil, 1 salmon steak. Instructions: mix oil, lemon pepper, and water together until blended. Place salmon, skin down, on a sheet of tin foil. Make sure this is enough tin foil to cover over the steak completely. Take the salmon on the foil to the grill with the mixture. Next, place the salmon, still on the foil, onto the grill and pour the mixture over the whole steak. Some of it will spill, don't worry. Get most of it on there. Wrap it up and let it bake until it is flaky and dark pink.